This locust tree, it's split. Whoa! This is a lot harder walking back. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't really think it's gonna be a success. Got this emergency today. This locust tree, it's split from included bark. Right there, laying on the house, other broken limbs. Whole tree's gonna come out short-handed today, so we're gonna start with this, see where we get to. All right, I need a hand here. I think I'm gonna cut this here. It's gonna tilt it a little bit. God damn it. Wow, easy, dude, easy. Let me see. All right, now this is gonna come down a little bit. We need to be careful. Now we need to take some weight off. Almost officially off the house. All right, guys, look out. Whoa! I put so much tension on that. Run out of energy. And I'll just set that rope off to the side. Now I need to find a good tie-in point. Really isn't a good tie-in point on this. Doesn't have any good central lead. Nice. This is a lot harder walking back. I can't climb any higher because there's no tie-ins. They have to be big pieces. Ba-boom! Definitely don't like this. We're gonna do some roping now because these pieces are big. We'll do a peel cut, which means I'm gonna start cutting and it's slowly gonna go like that and then it'll peel. We're looking to maintain control. Very nice. Woo! Let's be easy here. Let it creak, let it creak. Ah! That dog started looking over here like, what in the? It's 4:30, so I think I don't really want to leave it like this because of how uneven it is. Get some high winds, say it splits again or something. As long as I can get everything on the ground, we could probably stop there. Guide it down, let it go. Okay. Very good. Let's keep doing this and get this tree done. I just kind of messed up because now I got all these stubs in my way. The snub's right in my freaking way. Nice. We're almost done.